What? I got over 100 watch hour. As you can see, 113 watch hour on this particular video, trying a simple method, guys. I'm going to be showing you the method I actually did, how I did all of those things. And by the way, let me even tell you, you don't need to download any app. You don't need to go here. You don't need to register for one website. You don't, like, it is YouTube itself, guys. I'm going to be showing you the whole breakdown step by step on how it is done, so you can actually implement it in your video and get that 4,000 watch hour in no time. But by the way, let me just tell you guys something. I should have made this video yesterday, but I was hesitating. I don't know if that English is correct. I was I was hesitating because I don't want to introduce this my new channel to this particular platform. Like, I was thinking, how can I make this particular video without showing my channel name? How do I do it? I don't want people to see the channel name. So I was just thinking here and I said, okay, let me just, take a screenshot and crop out the channel name. Do you know why I don't want to introduce the channel? Because some people here might actually go ahead and start searching for the channel, following the channel. And my top audience on this particular channel, you guys are watching me, they are from Nigeria. But on this my new channel, my top audience are US, Australia, Canada. Those are like my top 3. US, Australia, Canada. So I don't want to tamper with that. We all know that when the particular channel gets monetized and your top audience are from those particular countries I just mentioned right now, the revenue is usually high. And on this particular channel, most of you guys are Nigerians. So if I actually post it out here, you guys might go and be searching, start following. No. I don't want followers. I don't want followers from Nigeria. I'm so sorry to my Nigerian fans. I hope you guys actually understand. So that was why I was hesitating. I was thinking, how can I make this video without showing my channel name? So after so much thought and thinking, I said, okay, maybe I'll just take a screenshot, of the watch hour of what I did and just, place it here and there without putting the channel name. So you guys, if you're seeing some screenshots here and there and not really seeing some few details, you guys should want to. I said, okay, let me just tell you guys from the beginning of the video so you're aware. But the most important thing is just me showing you the process and you trying that on your channel and then coming back to come and give me testimony. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it. So once you're done uploading your video to YouTube and before it goes public, think about that particular video itself. Then you can go ahead and, I'm not saying you should lie, but, think of a kind of comment that you can actually pin that is long. This one is not a short comment though. Long comment that is engaging, that people can watch. I'm not saying you should. Don't go and say, hey, Nneka is teaching us how to lie, no. I'm not saying because you want people to, to be wowed or you want people to spend time watching your video, then you're not going to put a long comment that is not true. You can put something that is true, but at the same time engaging and interesting. Something related to the video. It's just like, okay, let's somebody is making an African folktale, for example. The reason why I'm saying African folktale is because this particular channel, this my new channel, is an African folktale channel. And what I did right there was use the African folktale. So let me just use the African folktale because that is the niche of this particular. So you can do it according to your own video. So, like, let's say I spoke about a woman, for example, that got pregnant and gave birth to a bush baby, for example. I say this woman, she was pregnant, she gave birth to a bush baby. Everybody was like, that is what the story entails. In the comment section, I can go ahead and pin it. Sometimes I use my own original channel. Sometimes I use my husband's, account to search for my channel. Then I will now comment. You understand what I mean? I'll comment, then I'll now pin that chat. I don't know if you guys are actually getting what I'm saying. But you know what? The trick to this is not just putting a pinned comment. The trick to this is putting an engaging comment. And not just an engaging comment, something that is long for them to read. Because sometimes somebody can click on your video, like maybe judging from the title, from the thumbnail, they click on your video and then they click out. Maybe they are not feeling it, they are not enjoying it. But when they click on your video and that comment is pinned, because it is pinned, it's going to be the first comment they will see on your channel, the very first comment. So you can put a very striking, engaging, you can say something like, oh, there was like the one I did on this particular video. I was like, this happened, this is a true life story that happened 1957, that kind of thing. Somebody just like, Imagine someone just clicking on the comment and say, this is the true life story that happened in 1957. And then you now say, there was a woman, this blah, 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 blah. The man actually, like, you are now narrating what happened in that 1957 and how it relates to this particular video. You will not make it short because you don't want them to just read it and go fast. So by the time they are actually reading that comment, you understand what I mean? By the time they spend reading that comment, they would have spent some time watching your video, and then they will now want to find out, okay, how does this relate? But make sure it relates. Don't go and use a comment that doesn't relate. In essence, what I'm trying to say is that you should make the pinned comment as a bait, you understand? As a bait to capture them, so that when they click on it, and instead of them just clicking out, because what you need is not views, you need watch hour, you need them to spend time. So when they click on it, the first thing they now want to see from the comments is that your pinned comment. Make sure it is pinned. Remember to pin it. Is that your pinned comment? So it is like a bait to capture them that I've captured you today. No. So even the amount of time they will spend reading that particular comment alone, you know how many minutes you must have gotten. Then for them to now want to, sometimes sometimes it might not even be about true life story, maybe because of your niche, but you can just say, oh, the point number 5, even if you do not mention, maybe in that video, there was no point number 1, point number 2. Maybe you just said everything. Maybe you're actually talking about something. Maybe how to cook rice, for example. And then you're saying, if you want to cook rice, the first thing for you to do is to boil water. Then you add your salt. Then you wash your rice. Like you do not put point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. But in the comment, in the pinned comment, you can put something like, the point number 5 really struck me. So people will be like, point number 5. And then you will explain how it struck you. You can be like, oh wow, this point number 5 has actually happened. Or you understand why you say, this point number 5 is totally true. And make sure what you're putting in the pinned comment is totally relatable. Don't put something that is not relatable, that even if they read it, they can't relate. So make sure it's something that is very relatable. Honestly, before I started doing this particular method, I was not getting views, I was not getting watch hour. The channel was just there, you understand? But then after I now started doing all of these, I saw a change. I was like, wow, is this actually working? I did again in the next video, Sometimes if I don't want it to be, too generic, as if I am the only one pinning, I use my husband's phone. Or sometimes I switch, because I have another YouTube account on my other phone, because I have another phone aside this particular one. I can switch to using that other phone to just, make a comment there, and just like I just explained, and then I'll just pin it, and then just be seeing my. Sometimes you can see different comments under, like different replies under that my pinned comments, how engaging it can be. You understand? That's the power of a pinned comment. You guys should not sleep on this. Jump on this right now and get your watch hour. And this is also genuine. This is YouTube. And you know that whenever people are actually like spending time watching, it will trigger the algorithm to push out your content more. That way, you're in no time you'll be monetized. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you learned 1 or 2, please do what to hit on the like button, do what to subscribe, and do what to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.